In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a proposal in HoneyBook. HoneyBook is a wonderful platform designed for small business owners and freelancers that helps streamline business processes, especially when it comes to managing clients and projects. Let's dive into how we can create a proposal using this platform step by step. First things first, you need to open your client's project. If you're already familiar with HoneyBook, you've probably set up a project for each client you're working with. These projects are essentially a hub where you can manage everything related to your client, from correspondence to files and finances. Once you have your client's project open, you'll want to move on to the next step. Now look for the option that says plus create new file. You'll see a drop-down menu from which you can select proposal. Clicking on this initializes the proposal creation process. A proposal in HoneyBook serves as a cohesive package that combines the invoice, contract, and the overall project layout, which can be customized according to the client's needs. After you've selected proposal, you're given two choices. You can either choose a pre-designed template or start from scratch. If you're new to this, using a template is a time saver as they're professionally developed layouts that can be customized with your specific details. For those who want a more personalized approach, starting from scratch allows you the freedom to design every element to match your personal style or the specific needs of the project. Once you're in the proposal editor, you'll need to add your services or packages along with the pricing and payment schedule. This is crucial, as it will determine how your client views your offering. Be very clear and detailed when listing your services, and double check that your pricing reflects the value you are providing. Clear communication of these details helps prevent misunderstandings and creates transparency between you and your client. As you add services and pricing, you can also specify the payment schedule, which helps set expectations regarding how and when you'll get paid. HoneyBook's flexibility here allows you to make payment terms as straightforward or as segmented as needed, accommodating both full payments or installments. Throughout this process, keep in mind the overall tone and branding you would like your proposal to convey. A proposal is often the second touchpoint with your clients after the initial consultation, and thus, it's a strong representation of how you handle business. A thoughtfully crafted proposal can set the tone for a successful partnership. And there you have it. You've created a HoneyBook proposal that clearly outlines project details and expectations for your client. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful in optimizing your client engagement processes with HoneyBook.